Hello beautiful humans, how are you? Happy today. Thank you so much for watching along on my channel, and I hope you're having a great week, great day, and just staying safe and healthy, and attending to yourselves, self-care, self-love. And if you were ever having not so much of a good day, buy yourself some flowers. I'm sure they're gonna cheer you up. I had to get these for myself to feel better, and I sure do, and I wanted to make an arrangement and share it with you guys. These are beautiful Toffee roses, and they just opened up so beautifully, and I want to make some sort of a long arrangement. This time I'm using a foam because I didn't have the right container to use the chicken wire in and have a water source for my flowers, so I only had a brick of Oasis foam, so I just thought I'll use that so I can actually use these flowers before they die. So let's get started and create something fun and beautiful. Hey everybody, this is my little modern rose arrangement with all roses and a little bit of the bleach amaranthus to give it a little bit more perspective and movement. Obviously the back of it is still the foam. I didn't have enough roses to finish the whole thing, so it's like a, I guess, three-sided of an arrangement, which is just fine if you want to put it against the wall, or just put some like moss or greenery in the back, so it's just like more like a three-sided kind of an arrangement. The technique I'm using in this arrangement is a lot of layering, a lot of grouping. Obviously we're using one flower, so it makes it a little bit challenging if you don't want to make it too cramped and like a ball. So we have to think about the line and movement. You have to think about the harmony and balance of the arrangement, and how we can make sure every flower is standing out for themselves as they are, so we can all enjoy every single flower separately. So by facing them in different directions and by giving them some space when we're placing every flower, we allow them to be beautiful on their own, and they don't need to be competing with the other flower to stand out. Every single flower that has been placed with a little bit of a space, or different height variation, or different kind of like I guess bases in different direction, so it allows them to just be as pretty as they already are as a singular flower, and as a whole when put together they stand out even more beautiful. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something today. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, let me know what else you'd like to see, and I am happy to create whatever else. Thank you so very much again. Enjoy your day or evening wherever you are. I send you lots of love and light and positive energy, and pray that we all get through these days and hopefully become stronger and better human beings for the world. Love you.